Hi, and thank you for purchasing your Disney tickets with Orlando Attractions. I'll be showing you how to link the Disney tickets to your My Disney Experience app or website. Before we do this, you'll have to create an account, which is really simple. All you have to do is go to the My Disney Experience website and create an account using an email and password of your choice. We recommend for the initial setup that you use the website just because it's easier to see and you're able to access everything in one place. Once logged in, you can then again click the My Disney Experience tab and it will have a drop down menu of everything you need. If you choose My Plans, it will take you to this page where you have the family and friends. This is where you add the other guests that are traveling with you. In this section, you will be asked to add their first name and last name as well as a phone number or email. If your guest doesn't already have a Disney Experience account, you can add them by creating a profile for them. Once you return back to the plans page, you will be able to add your resort hotel park tickets, which I will show you now. When you enter this page, you'll be asked for the 12-digit ID number. You'll be able to find these here. After you've added the ticket ID number, if you press next, you will then have to match the tickets to the family and friends member and then return back to the page and they will be linked to your account. The park reservation button that you see here is no longer required for when you purchase tickets, so in this case you can ignore it. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide. I hope it helped you with linking your tickets to the My Disney Experience app. I hope you have a wonderful trip and thank you again.